And may I request Mr. Ketan Patel to please come here on the dais. I'll request our President, Mr. Veeramani, also to please be here. Please. Our esteemed member Troika Pharmaceutical Limited has received the National Award from Technology Development Board, Department of Science and Technology for successful commercialization of indigenous technology. The award was given to Troika for their novel technology for topical drug delivery, which is commercialized under the brand name Dynapal QPS, which provides quick and comprehensive penetration of the drug through the skin in the musculoskeletal pain segment, however thick-skinned you are. The award, which includes a monetary prize of Rs 10 lakhs, was presented by Dr. Harsh Vardhan, the Honorable Union Minister for Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, and it was received by our Mr. Ketan Patel, Chairman and Managing Director, on the occasion of Technology Day celebration in Delhi. This product treats pain in conditions such as osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, etc. And the unique proposition of this product is that due to the superior efficacy of this product, doctors reduce the dosage of oral NSAIDs, and that's a very big advantage to the patients because the other products affect their kidneys and liver and everything. Exactly 5 years ago, Troika's another innovation, Dynapar AQ, was also given the National Award by Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. So our heartiest congratulations to you, Ketan Bhai. And may I also request Mrs. Patel to please join us. We are missing Milan Patel, so please give him yeah, he's in the United States. Yes. May I request our past President Yogin Majumdar also to please join us in felicitating Ketan Bhai. Please come.
We have all the pleasure in presenting to Ketan Bhai because it's a dream. It's a dream for every pharma entrepreneur. When he starts, it's like one day he will receive an award for research and innovation. So he's a pharmacist, he's an entrepreneur, and he's a scientist, and he's a successful person amongst us. It's a matter of pride for every member of IDMA that our member is getting the Technology Excellence Award on all India level. Hats off to you.
Would you like to say a few words, Ketan Bhai? Please.
Very good evening to all of you. This is indeed a very satisfying moment. I'm deeply overwhelmed that IDMA and its office bearers thought of this idea to felicitate me. Like I have always shared a great rapport with Mr. Veeramani because we share a similar story actually of starting from nothing and building our companies. I chose innovation because right from the beginning I had done my research in medicinal chemistry. I went into drug delivery later on. But the most satisfying part of this whole journey has been that these products which we have manufactured are original ideas. You know that Indian industry has always used the ideas invented by the Western pharmaceuticals, and that was possibly somewhere a challenge in my mind. So both these products, Dynapar AQ and Dynapar QPS, are patented globally, 99 plus countries. And this idea, the next challenge is that we want to take this idea to the West, because there's one very ironical thing I will state today about the Section 3D, which was inserted possibly with a lot of effort by IDMA. And you won't believe it that I have used that Section 3D of the Indian Patent Act to the advantage, because Section 3D demands that any invention in healthcare has to be significantly superior to anything that is on the market or anything that has been in the prior art publications. So when you want to invent a product which will qualify genuinely for a Section 3D, you have to actually put data in the patent to show that it is superior to not only things on the market, but also to what has been published in prior art. So you truly come up with a world-class innovation. And it's difficult for Indians to believe all this. When we launched the first painless diclofenac, doctors actually used to tell our sales force, "Kya gap laga rahe ho? Novartis ne nahi banaya, aapne bana diya." So we've come from that stage. Today, yes, Indian doctors have started accepting that we can innovate. And even Dynapar QPS, we have benchmarked it with similar next generation topicals in Europe and America. And I can tell you that this is best in class across the world. Thank you.